Hello. If anybody's here, let me know if you can see this and if it's horizontal or if it is vertical. I'm having a little difficulty with that. So if anybody's here and can do that, I would appreciate it. Just leave me a comment. If you can see anything. I bet you can't see anything. Let's try that. I think that's better. What do you think? So is it horizontal or is it vertical? If anybody is on, has joined me, please let me know. Looks like it's horizontal, but I'm not getting the whole area. I'm gonna have to be really careful how I work so I don't work outside of the picture. As you know, I'm still working on getting this figured out. There we go. That's a little better. Okay, maybe that'll work. Is anybody here? Let me know if you're here, please. Oh, hi, Sarah. Oh, I'm excited. I do have better reception now. I got the Eros. There, I think that's pretty good. Oh boy. I'm so challenged at this, but I'm learning, right? Now I can't see my comments. There we go. That's pretty good. Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Sherry. Cherie, how are you? Good to see you on here. So today I do have some shadows and I'm sorry, I'm working on it. Today I'm going to introduce to you the new Ornate Garden Suite that is available today, and it is going to be in the new annual 2020-2021 catalog. It's a beautiful suite of products, and I just wanted to show you all, and then I thought we'd do a real quick card. And for everyone that purchases either the bundles or the suite, I will be sending you a mega tutorial, and I mean this is a mega tutorial. There's 90 ideas, 90 different people went together and put this tutorial together, and it is an amazing set of tutorials, and it has all the instructions, step-by-step measuring, step-by-step doing the projects. You can't believe how much there is in this tutorial, and anyone that purchases it will receive the tutorials. There's actually 4 different parts to it. So the Ornate Garden Suite includes, first of all, the Ornate Style stamp set, and that is a beautiful stamp set with beautiful flowers that you can color or whatever. And then it also includes, the bundle includes the um, ornate style border, not border, excuse me, ornate style dies. So you can see these are very ornate. And I will have a couple of tips to about these as we go along. And the second bundle includes the Ornate Thanks photopolymer stamp set and the ornate borders. So there's just so many things you can do with this. It's just truly amazing. It also comes with the Ornate Floral 3D embossing folder, and I'm going to be using that today in the project that we make. So you can see that it's really a cool embossing folder. There is also the Designer Series paper, which is a specialty paper, and you can see what beautiful paper this is. The daisies, all of the different colors, terracotta tile, old olive. The paper is just absolutely gorgeous and fun to work with. This has the foil on it, so it's a specialty paper. And this has gold embossed, and think about coloring that or just leaving it this way. You can sponge it, you can brayer it, and then this is the last piece, and it also has the gold foil. So you get 12 sheets, 2 of each, and of course they're double-sided. Then there's also a set of ribbon, and the ribbon is terracotta tile and old olive. And then there are also gilded gems, which are, of course, we all have to have some bling. So it's really a lot of value there. So this is the card that I actually made for the tutorial, and you'll find it when you receive yours if you purchase it. This is a fun fold card. My friend, thanks for all you do. And then I partnered with a lady from Australia because we're doing it in both metric and inches, and I partnered with the lady, so I made her card. Isn't that gorgeous? She gold embossed the flowers and then sponged over it, and it's just so pretty. You can just see how beautiful it is. And this is the card that we're going to make today. This is also one of the ones that's in the tutorial. And I have done some prep work because I didn't want to keep you too long, but this is using the vellum with the embossed vellum, and oh, it's so pretty. So without further ado, we're going to get started on this card. So the first thing I did was I embossed this vellum using that ornate floral vellum. Isn't that gorgeous? And to put this on, sometimes, you know, you think, well, this is really busy, so you're not going to have to worry about attaching it and showing any of the adhesive showing, because we're going to actually use mini glue dots to put it on. So I'm going to start with, this is mint macaron, and I'm going to, I use one of the border punches and cut out this cute little border, and we're going to put that on this, the Designer Series paper. So I'm just going to add some adhesive there and line that up, and that's going to go right on there. And then we're going to put this on that mint macaron piece, which is cut 5 1/4, and I will all of these will be in the tutorial. So then I stamped, no I didn't, I will stamp. I wanted to show you some stamping. So I'm going to use my Early Espresso, and I'm going to write thanks. And this is a piece of Whisper White that is cut out using the Stitch Shapes framelits. So I'm going to put thanks, and then for all you do, we always need thank you cards, and this is a beautiful one. So thanks for all you do, and then I'm going to attach that to the front of that Designer Series paper. So that's going to be attached right here. And then I went ahead and stamped the little daisy, which is in the ornate style, this daisy right here. I stamped it and I colored it with terracotta tile Stampin' Write marker, and then I used the soft suede blends to color these. And I'm going to just attach these right here with a dimensional so that they're popped up. And then I also colored the little leaves that are on that daisy. And then I'm just going to add a couple little leaves right here just to add some more color. And there we go. So, isn't that pretty? I just think it's gorgeous. So now I'm going, oh, I forgot to put the, I'm such a ditz. So, I forgot to put the embossing. Oh dear. You never do this when you're but when you're online and you're doing it on, so I'm using the mini glue dots. And I'm just going to attach this here. And you can put a snail it on it or whatever you want, but this works really good to hold it down. So do you ever do this? Do you ever do things that you just don't think you'll ever do, but you do? Yeah. Now it's not even. As you can see, I'm nervous. That's okay. You guys understand, don't you? I'll get better. I promise. I promise. I promise. I promise. So there we got it all fixed. So now I'm going to just stick this on the front of the card. And what a quick and simple card. But then, of course, we have to have some of the gems. The gems are just, they just set it off perfectly. So I'm going to add the gems right here. And there are 3 sizes of gems. And I don't know if you've heard about the thing of having odds, so I'm putting 3. You do 3, 5, whatever. So there we go, quick and simple. A tip for using the 3D embossing folder: if you have the blue plate, that works best. But if you don't have the blue plate, you'll have to just shim up. Just use a regular clear acrylic plate and then shim up the blue plate to get the embossing on that. And then I said I would have a little tip for doing the border. This is the border that I did. So when you put this on your magnetic plate, you'll put a plate down, you'll have the magnetic plate, an acrylic plate, and then put your cutting, not, instead of putting paper and then this down, put this down and then put your paper on top of it like this. And that way it seems to cut better. Run it through about 4 times, and mine just fell out. I didn't have any problem with it. So that's just a tip that I have learned from experience. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this. It's just short and sweet, but I wanted to share these cards with you and tell you about the Ornate Garden Suite that has come out. And if you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up, share it if you would like, and then I will choose one person that has commented, and I will send you one of these cards. So I hope you have a great day, and if you would like to order this, you can go to my online store, and you can find that. I will put it in the comments, a link to my online store. You can order it, and I will immediately send you out the mega tutorial. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.